When you send something from the US to another country, you need to fill out a customs form. The only exception is if you're mailing a first-class mail international letter or a large envelope under 16 ounces. The type of form you'll need depends on which USPS service you're using and the total value of your shipment. You can fill out a customs form online to save time at the post office, or you can use the Click and Ship tool to pay for postage and print both the label and the form together. It's important to be accurate and detailed. Customs officials in other countries can reject, return, or even destroy your package if the form is incomplete. When filling it out, start with your own information. Write your full first and last name, complete street address, zip code, city, and state. Don't use abbreviations. Also add your phone number and email. Next, list the details of the items you're sending. Every item needs its own description, value, and weight. Be specific about what it is, what it's made of, and what it's used for. For example, don't just write tools, write screwdriver or power drill. Once all items are listed, add the total value of the package and the total gross weight in pounds or kilograms. You'll also see a harmonized system, or HS, tariff code. This is a code customs offices around the world use to identify products. USPS will provide the correct HS code for your item during processing, but you need to make sure your descriptions are clear so the right code can be assigned. To get started, visit the USPS website and go to the Customs Form page. Click Create Customs Form Now and follow the prompts. When you finish, you can print your form at home and save time when you drop off your package. That's the process.